Sophie pulled all the way up on her car all by herself. Beep, beep, beep. Did you pull up on your car? You're such a big girl. Whoa.
I got 41, Mommy.
Oh, good job, Sam. What are you saying, huh? What are you saying? You're really big standing up like that. Do you hear Belle? Sophie. Sam. Okay, say bye-bye to everybody. Say bye-bye. Bye.